What's up everyone, welcome to another video on the channel. Today we're gonna unbox these Matchbox road trip series. Very cool models. We got a Jeep, a Chevy, and a Ford. Let's get into it. Let's go with the Ford Ranchero. This is a 61 Ford Ranchero, and I think it's like a pinkish color. Very cool. I like it. Something different. Something different. I enjoy collecting these trucks because they're very small, you know, and it's something different. Usually everyone collects the Silverado, but I try to get as many trucks as I can. All models, all types, all brands. There you go. And pinkish red, those traditional Matchbox wheels. I don't know the name of them. We have the back lights, the rear lights painted on. Very cool. We got a handle on the back of the bed. You got a really cool and simple hood. No lights in the front painted. The grill's not painted. It's just regular. I like it. Very cool. There's the Ford Ranchero. Is it 61 if I'm not mistaken? 61 Ford Ranchero. I like the new backgrounds that they have. The card design. Very cool. Here is a 59 Chevy Wagon in blue. This one they previously had it in red, if I'm not mistaken. I also had that one unboxed. This one has the canoe on top, and they are from the road trip series. Awesome. There you go. Blue, navy blue, if I could define a color, with the gray or white stripe down the side, with the handles, the door handles painted on. The back lights are not painted, and the front is chrome. The grille is chrome, as well as the bottom. I like the cars that have the chrome bottom. They look really cool. And the canoe on top can be dismounted, so that is something cool. It has an extra piece on it. You can put it back. So this is really cool for the collection. And then the next road trip one that we have is a Jeep 89 Jeep Grand Wagoneer. This is the last one we got for today in green. This is something that I really enjoy in this model, is the side panel of the door. It has like that wood feel, you know. It's painted on. I like it. It's in a black Jeep wood side panel and beige interior to go with the side. It has the gray grille in the front, and the bottom is also gray. And it has the hitch in the back, so you can, haul something on it. Awesome. Come on, focus. There you go. Awesome Jeep. It also looked like a Bronco, but no, it's a Jeep Wagoneer, Grand Wagoneer. Very cool. I don't know if people like to customize these. I'm not too sure, but I like it because of you can haul other pieces as well. So there you go. I like these. These are very cool, and these are from the road trip series. All three of them. There you go. Thank you for watching this unboxing. Tune in to the next video. go through all the other videos if you can. Leave a comment. I'll try to comment back. Subscribe if you haven't. Really appreciate it. And good luck in the hunting and have a great day. Peace, y'all.